This is part 5 of the adjective clauses video series. One reason it can be helpful to know about adjective clauses is that they help us to combine shorter sentences together. For example, we could say, "My mom is a great cook. She makes delicious meatballs." But if we use an adjective clause, we can combine these two shorter sentences into a single, longer sentence. My mom, who is a great cook, makes delicious meatballs. Let's look at another example. Michelle Alexander is a civil rights lawyer and legal scholar. She wrote a book. The book is The New Jim Crow. If we use an adjective clause, we can combine the information in the 3 sentences above into a single sentence. Michelle Alexander, who is a civil rights lawyer and legal scholar, wrote a book, which is The New Jim Crow. Adjective clauses that use a form of the verb to be, like the adjective clauses in the sentences above, can be reduced into shorter clauses called appositives. As we discussed in previous videos, an adjective clause begins with a relative pronoun. To make an appositive, we simply remove both the relative pronoun and the verb to be from the adjective clause. In the previous example, we would therefore remove who is and which is from our adjective clauses. The sentence would read, Michelle Alexander, comma, a civil rights lawyer and legal scholar, comma, wrote a book, comma, The New Jim Crow. We'll look more closely at appositives in a separate video.
Amanda LeBlow, Assistant Professor, English Language for Academic Purposes, Montgomery College.
Subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for new videos.